Hey there, it's ready time for our Young Living unboxing for this month, and this is for our October order. We got a pretty big box, but not a, I don't know, I guess they had put it in a big box because of this Ningxia Red. So I got another 4-pack of Ningxia Red, and this is going to help us to get through the winter without having to have it shipped in the winter. So I try to stock up on those in the fall so that then we can have them and they don't freeze. Then other things that we got, which I've never gotten before, but these are the Ningxia Wolfberries. They are dried and they're organic and they taste really good. And so I had scanned for those, so I thought I would try those. Those would make a really good snack. And then I also got the einkorn pancake and waffle mix. This is really good. I did kind of open it and use it already. There's recipes for pancakes, waffles, and crepes. So I thought that was a neat way to do it, and it was very useful and simple and an easy lunch or dinner or whatever, so that was fun. And then I got several oils. Peppermint oil, always use peppermint. Lavender oil, always have that on hand. Thieves oil, we're getting into the winter season, and so we're always making sure we have that on hand. And then I got a little bottle of Thieves also, because sometimes people will ask me, hey, do you have any extra Thieves? And I'll sell them a small bottle if they don't have an account already, just, you know, in a bind kind of thing. So those are what I ordered, all this kind of stuff. And then this is what I got for free with this order. So we got the Life 9 probiotic supplement, very good for anyone to take. So that gets refrigerated and we'll use that. Nutmeg is a great essential oil. It's good for like muscles and joints even. You can use it in cooking and cookies and stuff like that. Cinnamon bark, another one. One of the things you can use it for is immune, but there's tons of ways that you can use the cinnamon bark. And then orange essential oil. Orange is just a really good all-around essential oil. You have to watch with the photosynthesis. They'll put it on your skin when you go outside, but it is great to put in the diffuser because it's the #1 feel-good oil. So that one you can just use a lot and be able to help your house smell really great. So this is all the free stuff that came with the stuff that we bought, that we actually purchased, and so it's really fun to be on Essential Rewards and get to have some free stuff along with the stuff that we need every month. So I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you guys next time.